How to find Target store near you with Store Locator. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find a Target store near you with Store Locator. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to target.com. Then on the top right, you'll find stores option. Just tap on it. And then here you'll need to enter zip, city or state. So just name it and then tap on find store. So you'll need to select the city and the state and then tap on find store, and then that's it. Now Target will show you all of the stores close to your address. And this makes it easy to see which Target store is most convenient for your needs. The Locator tool is regularly updated and is the easiest way to find nearby Target locations. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.